guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I have explained about how we can use the find function in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how search function will work in Microsoft Excel. What is the difference between find and search? First, you need to understand that, then you can get to know where we can use the find and where we can use the search functions. What is find? It returns the starting position of one text string within another text string, and find is a case sensitive. And then what is search? It returns the number of the character at which a specific character or a text string is first found, reading left to right. And search is a not case sensitive. Here you have to understand find and search both will search from the left side of your text string. In case if you are finding one particular character position by using a find or by using a search, both functionalities will be the same. It will always search from the left to right. Then what is the major difference here? In find, it is a case sensitive, but in search, it is not a case sensitive. I will show you one example how find will work and how search will work here. Here I have some text string here. I'm going to find out one hyphen position here. The first hyphen position I'm going to find out by using a find function first. What is the syntax for find? You need to give a find text, within text, and starting number. What is the find text? I'm going to find the hyphen position in my text string. So I'm giving the hyphen here, comma. What is the next syntax here? Within text. In which text you want to find out your character? So I'm going to give the text string here, that is A4, and starting number is 1. So that is 5 here. Now I'm going to write a search function in this cell. Search. What is the syntax here? Search and find. The syntax is same. There is no difference in the syntax for find and the search. So I'm going to give a hyphen here, and then my within text is nothing but I have a text in A4. I'm giving the A4 text here, and starting number is my 1. And when I press enter, find and search both have given the same result. Then what is the difference here? What is the difference here? Now instead of finding out the hyphen, I'm going to find the Q here. So it is available in a third position. So it is giving as output as third. Now here I'm going to give same. So both are giving a output. So here I have given a capital Q. Here also I have given a capital Q. It means uppercase Q I am going to find out the position in this text string. So now what I am going to do, you have to understand what is the difference between a find and search. Hence I am going to change my character here from uppercase to the lowercase, and when I press enter, see the find is throwing an error, but search still giving the output. Why? Because find is a case sensitive. So if you give the uppercase character in a find function, it will always search a uppercase character only in the text string. But in search, then it will search both lowercase and uppercase characters. This is what the difference between a find and search in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.